My name is James Earnshaw for Lee Stafford, and this is the Cool Girl Wet Look Wave. So to create the wet look hair, I'm just using a combination of the coconut balm and the coconut hair oil. I'm starting with the coconut balm, working it through the palms of my hands onto the hair to create a really controlled wet look. Once I've applied the balm, I'm then going in with the oil over the top. The coconut balm has a really, really lightweight hold, and the oil will give it a really soft shine. So the combination of the both of them is perfect. I'm just working my way up in sections to ensure I can evenly distribute the products together to create that perfect combination. When applying this, don't be afraid to use plenty of product to create maximum saturation. Just continuing this all the way through, focusing on the roots first, and then we'll add the hair oil over the top. So just continue working up the hair, using your hands for a more natural finish, and then just visually applying more product where it needs it. I'm just twisting pieces of hair with the balm in my hand so you get a natural distribution of the product. So I'm just going to use the comb out the curl comb, and I'm just going to detail any areas that I want to detail. Just going in with the hairspray and just visually spraying where I want to slick into certain areas. I'm just going to finish by just applying a little bit more hair oil to the end and just scrunching that in.